So it's the day after the snowstorm. This is what we're left with. It's expected to melt here in a few, so I'm just trying to get as much video as I can before it's gone. This is all ice. It's a very cool experience. Very, very cool. So we got about 1.5 inches of snow.